Ever wondered why being in a contract with your IT company beats the old-fashioned way of just getting something fixed when it's broken? This is known as break fix, and it's like driving a car without insurance. When things go wrong, you're left in a stressful, costly mess. And waiting for help can feel like an eternity. But with a contract, your IT pros proactively spot and fix problems before any damage can be done to your business, often before you even know something is wrong. Plus, your company takes top priority. You get fast, personalized support. If you need advice, you'll have direct access to IT experts as and when you need them too. Security is tight. You'll have no more nightmares about data breaches. And your network is watched around the clock to help you sleep more peacefully. So, no more waiting for disasters. A contract with an IT support provider means smoother operations and total peace of mind. Looking for an IT partner who can help with that? That's us. Get in touch.